Hello everyone and welcome to the VibeHub.io download and install tutorial. In this video today we're going to show you guys how to download and install VibeHub.io onto your computer. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to our website VibeHub.io. Once you get to our website here, you're going to see some video at the top here showcasing the game, the crypto first-person shooter game VibeHub.io, and you're going to scroll down. And you're going to see the icon here, VibeHub.io, and you're going to select on Download Now. Once you select Download Now, you're going to be brought to the VibeHub.io page, where you'll see the VibeHub.io leaderboard of all-time kills, the game rules, your system requirements, our recommended system requirements, and then at the top, you'll see VibeHub.io. You'll need Windows 10 in order to play this game, the supported tokens, and then you're going to select download. And then you'll be brought to our terms and conditions. Make sure you read through them. And if you agree, select agree. And then you'll select start download. And then you'll see the download appear on your screen in the bottom left hand corner, and you wait for this download to be complete. Okay, and as soon as your download completes, you're going to want to press on this arrow, and then you're going to see four options here: open, always open files of this type, show in folder, and cancel. You're going to select show in folder, and you'll be brought up at this screen here. So now you're going to see this VibeHub.io standalone Windows 64 compressed zip file, and you're going to click on it, and you're going to drag it onto your desktop. Then you'll see this notification pop up here where you'll see your progress bar, and you just wait for it to be 100% complete. Okay, and once you see that process is 100% complete, you can just minimize these screens. And now you'll see the folder on your desktop here, the VibeHub.io standalone compressed zip folder. Now you're going to right click on it and then select extract all. And you select, then you'll come up with this notification here, and you select extract again. And you'll see this new progress bar come up on your screen, and you just wait for it to be 100% complete. Now, once that extraction is 100% complete, you'll notice now you'll have two VibeHub.io folders on your desktop screen. So if you scroll your mouse over, you'll see the compressed zip folder. You can go ahead and delete that one off your desktop. Go ahead and delete it. And now you're left with one VibeHub.io standalone folder. And you can open that up. And then you select here, and you open it up, and you'll be brought to this screen. So the second one from the bottom here, the VibeHub.io with the icon next to it, and you'll see the type application. You can just right click, then select create shortcut here. And once you create a shortcut, you select VibeHub.io shortcut on your screen, and you can just drag that over to your desktop. So that's now where you're going to access VibeHub.io every time you want to play. So you can close this screen. In the VibeHub.io shortcut, you can double click and open it up. And you'll be brought to here a Windows notification. And you select more info. And then select run anyway. And then you'll see our notification, your VibeHub.io configuration. You can just go ahead and press play. And you'll see our page load up here, our VibeHub.io page, and now you are ready to play. So you're ready to log in and play VibeHub.io. So now that shortcut icon's on your screen, that'll be always how you access the VibeHub.io game. And now you'll need to log in to VibeHub.io in order to play. So if you already have a VibeHub account, you can just enter your email and password. If not, you can go back to our website here. In the top corner of the screen, you select that, and then just select register, and that's the same account you use to log into VibeHub.io. So that's it for this tutorial video, everybody. where we showed you guys how to download and install VibeHub.io. If you guys need any help in this process, we're going to leave a link to our Telegram support channel so you guys can have instant messaging with us if you guys need any help walking through this process. And we'll also leave a link to our Medium blog where we have a complete tutorial guide to VibeHub.io where we show you guys how to download and install it if you guys need to watch it again, or you guys need help funding your accounts with Neo or Neo Gas so you guys can play VibeHub.io. And we'll also have a tutorial video on there regarding how to show you guys how to navigate the main menu on VibeHub.io and how to play the game. So thank you all so much for watching. We'll be seeing you all again soon.